Good afternoon, guys. Guys, ma-share lang ko sa inyo, no? So, na ba itong elementary days pa na ako? So, sige, eskwela. Pero di ko magtuon. Di ko ganahan magtuon. Pero makakuha gyapon ko sa subject. Kung sa mga exam, makakuha ko. More than half ko lang makuha. Pero di ko magtuon. Kaya di ko ganahan magtuon. Pero kung pumuntan sab ko, makatubag man sab ko. So, wako ko nag-agap na ma-honor. Ambot nga napunto sa ako nga. Easy going naman po na ako. Then come high school life. Same magyapon. Maskwela, maligo sa'yo, maskwela. Then pauli. And then doing assignments in the evening. Pero after the assignment, I will not study my lesson talaga. I don't know why. Maybe it's just my natural being. And then going to college, same. It has no changes. No. So, just that way. And then, as of today, my son, Jace Kimar, having the same habit also. He doesn't want to study, but he can understand and he can participate in the classroom, especially during his college days. And he was able to graduate at the frame time. So, wala siya yung mga back subject. Ako pa gani may nahagbong ko one subject, that is Math 1A. That's why I really hate math. I really hate numbers. Anything dealing with numbers. So, probably because I love English. Because it's my major. And up to now, I was presently employed at LGU Cortez. And it aligns to my job. My study, connects to my work. Since it's almost words that is used in our office, so ano siya, simple na gaya ang happiness na makatrabaho sa LGU na permanent o sa ko yung mga plano ng magtagawas like my brothers and sisters. Simple lagi ang akong kalipay and I don't want to go to cities. I only enjoy going to Tandag, wherein I can go wherever I want to because I know the place very well. Simple joy na, I don't know. It's only that way. And I don't have regrets in life. And I got one boyfriend, that's my husband, my one and only child. So, that's only makes me happy. He's my inspiration in life. And then we have one child. But I do have miscarriage last year, 2010. Probably it's 15 years old this year. Kung ako naka-miscarriage, 15 years old na akong second child. Pero siguro di po to God given because it was only 7 weeks, so lacking 1 week for 2 months in my tummy. So wa siya ning hawid, guys. So mo tuwa na pud ko na buntis ang pagkaron. I'm into menopausal already. There's a symptom for menopause. That's it. That's my life cycle, and I enjoy everything. I don't have regrets. I love my family, both sides. I love them all. So, challenge pa na ko itong uban na maggama po sa ilang mga life story, just like what I'm doing now. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Bye.